Everyone's saying AI like it's magic, but here's the truth nobody explains in 2 sentences. AI is the goal. Machine learning is one way we get there. Stay with me, I'll make it simple.
Think of AI as any system that appears to think or make decisions, from simple rule-based chatbots to self-driving cars. Machine learning, or ML, is a toolbox inside that. Algorithms that learn patterns from data instead of following hard-coded rules.
In ML, you feed data, train a model, then let it predict. Example, Netflix uses ML to learn what you like. Spam filters learn from labeled emails. The smarter the data, the better the model. But beware, garbage in, garbage out. ML learns patterns, not common sense.
Important reality checks. ML can be biased, confused by bad data, and is often hard to interpret. It doesn't understand like a human. It optimizes for patterns and objectives we give it. That's why ethics and data quality matter as much as algorithms.
So AI is the destination. ML is one of the engines. Know which you're using, check the data, and don't call every feature AI just because it sounds cool.
All right, if you want to know about computer science, data analytics, and artificial intelligence, all videos links are added in description. See you in the next video.